Hi, my name is Amit Apel. I'm from Apel Design Studios. This is the Aviator. The idea is to create a sculpture in the space that you cannot create anymore in the Santa Monica Mountains. The Aviator comes from the word, obviously, aviation. This particular position of the house itself is a point that all the LAX using for reference of going into LAX. When you start getting into the house itself, the sculpture itself, I like to call it, you see what you leave behind. It's a lot of green and you see a lot of background, started slowly chopping out to get into the space itself. Please, come in. We have three spaces of energy that we're coming in. One energy is basically to ground yourself. The second energy, we're going to go up and see the feeling almost of flying. Then you have the third energy, is basically the combination between the two, to be outside and to be protected from the element. So the first energy, if you look around you, everything have angle and it gives you the feeling of anchoring. So when it comes to the kitchen, for example, you still enjoy the view, you still always have the angles in front of you to remind you the anchoring and the style of the house. Every time you're going to look through the house from a different position, the angles will show you something completely else. Now that we passed this moment of the grounding energy, let's try to experience something else on the second floor. We did create a free floating wall that while you're going up, it feels that it hugs you, but you still have a round element to remind you where you're coming from. When you go, you look at the tile, and the tile have city names. The idea is because in the second floor, you're going to start experiencing the city feel. So that gives you a little bit of an entrance of a concept of what you're getting yourself into. Welcome to the Malibu suite. The first thing you're going to see is basically Malibu. You'll see all downtown of Malibu. All the sliding doors is obviously open to feel that part of the balcony, but you have all the angles. All this is steel frame, basically that anchor in the bottom, but you feel like you're floating because there is nothing grounding you here. So that's a completely different energy. Let's move to the Santa Monica room. When you're coming into the Santa Monica room, there's a lot of little, call it portals, and I think it's a very good pronunciation for it. So you're getting different views only of the sky and the angle of the sculpture itself. We positioned the bed, put the logo of the Aviator. We're really proud of the logos and the philosophical reason of what we're doing. In the same time, when you're standing in the balcony, you're not going to see any column supporting you. And that's part of the experience of flying that we wanted to create. And now let's look at the third energy. Finally, the third energy. If you're looking at the sculpture from this position, you're going to see all the angles and everything we talked about until now. So you're going to find all the 45 degrees angle that anchor you to the first floor. You'll see the floating concept on the second floor. And now the best part is to be part of the sculpture itself. If you're sitting in the property itself, you feel hugged, feel secure, and you see everything rising up from a very, very small footprint. And that's the biggest concept I try to achieve here. The Aviator really gives you the opportunity to fly. And that wraps up the tour. See you in the next property.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.